Windows are more than just a design feature in your home. They play a crucial role in energy efficiency, comfort, and security. If you live in Meridian and are considering home improvements, upgrading your windows could be one of the best investments you make. Here are the top signs it's time to replace your windows. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed your energy bills steadily climbing, your windows might be to blame. Older or single-pane windows often lack proper insulation, allowing warm or cool air to escape. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy usage. Upgraded windows with double or triple panes, low E coatings, and gas fills can significantly reduce energy costs by keeping your home insulated year-round. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. Feeling a draft near your windows is a clear indicator that they aren't doing their job. This could result from worn seals, warped frames, or single-pane glass. Similarly, if certain rooms feel too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter, outdated windows might be failing to regulate indoor temperatures. Modern windows are designed to maintain a consistent, comfortable temperature in your home. Excessive condensation or fogging. Condensation on your windows isn't always a bad thing, but when it's trapped between panes, it's a sign of a broken seal. This not only affects your window's efficiency but can also lead to further moisture issues, like mold or mildew. Upgrading to new windows with properly sealed panes ensures better performance and reduces the risk of moisture damage. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. Windows that are hard to operate are more than just an inconvenience. They can also pose safety risks. Warped or swollen frames, broken mechanisms, or improper installation can make windows difficult to open or secure. New windows offer smoother operation and advanced locking systems, enhancing both ease of use and home security. Noticeable damage or wear. Visible damage like cracks, chips, or water stains is a clear sign it's time for an upgrade. Not only do damaged windows detract from your home's appearance, but they also compromise efficiency and safety. New windows instantly boost your home's curb appeal and functionality. Outside noise disturbances. If outdoor noises like traffic, barking dogs, or neighbors seem to invade your home, your windows may lack sufficient soundproofing. Modern windows with advanced insulation technology can reduce noise transmission, creating a quieter, more serene indoor environment. Aging aesthetic. Outdated windows can make your entire home feel dated. If your windows no longer match the style of your home or look worn despite cleaning, upgrading to modern, stylish designs can refresh your home's appearance. Meridian homeowners often find that contemporary frames and finishes complement their property's look while adding value. Increasing maintenance requirements. Older windows often require frequent repairs or repainting, which can become costly and time-consuming. New windows made from durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass eliminate the need for constant upkeep, freeing up your time and budget. Poor security features. Windows are one of the most vulnerable points in your home. If your windows have outdated or ineffective locking mechanisms, they may not provide adequate protection against break-ins. Upgraded windows with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locks can improve your home's security. You're preparing to sell your home. If you're planning to sell your home in Meridian, upgrading your windows can be a smart move. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient features. High-quality windows not only enhance curb appeal but can also boost your home's resale value. Why upgrade your windows in Meridian? Meridian homeowners face unique challenges, including seasonal temperature shifts and high energy costs. Upgrading your windows can enhance comfort, reduce expenses, and provide long-term peace of mind. Plus, with a variety of styles and options available, you can customize your windows to suit your home's design and your personal preferences. Investing in new windows isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a better, more efficient living space for years to come. If you recognize any of the signs above, it might be time to consult a trusted local window installer to discuss your options.